Alright, I'm back. Let's just see this hand. Okay, that's better. Click, drag. Oh yeah, we got that. There goes the train. Um, so how do we do this animation stuff? Alright. Let's see. Public class cursor animate. Okay, so this will have and we'll do a new let's have a public list of ints called cursor sprite nums, and then a public list floats called animate. Right here, I think I'm making it more complicated than it needs to be. Float animate rate, and then a float animate time, and then we have a bool is repeat. We'll say true. Then we'll have a public run public void animate. Right, and we'll say animate rate is equal to is plus equal to time dot delta time. If animate rate is greater than or equal to animate time, cursor here we'll do yeah, we'll say I think we need an int current frame, which will start at 0. Say cursor dot set cursor UI manager dot instance dot cursor mouse sprites. Should call it cursor. Current frame. Okay, comma vector 2.0 comma cursor auto. Current frame is plus equal 1. public new cursor animate. What am I doing? Just public that. Then we're going to say, let's set it to the first frame. Okay, that animates it. If current frame, let's say int last frame, and we can just say it equals to 0. Maybe we'll animate int animate rate int and time. Let's do it the other way. Int so this has to go in order. We're not going to jump around. If it is greater than the last frame, then current frame is equal to 0. Let's not even worry about is repeat. Okay. Okay, so that will do that. All right. So now, how do we test this out? Oh my gosh, what did I put in there for? Control X. Go to the UI. All right. Let's do one right here. Void set up cursors. And let's do a first do the grab or grab idle. All right, first we want to have a public of strings, comma, cursor animates, and we're going to call it cursor animates. Oh, why did it change that? Cursor animates. So down here, we're going to say new cursor new cursor animate. Okay, dum-dum. cursor animate temp is equal to new cursor animate. Okay, so the animate rate doesn't matter, we'll say 0. And then the last frame is 0. So let's be a little bit smart. If animate rate is equal to 0, just return. Don't bother doing all that other stuff. Wait, where did it? Okay, set cursor. Cursor rates temp that. Okay, we want to say rate. We want to say int first frame. So I don't have the first frame. So int first frame. So we're going to say 0. So we're going to say current frame is equal to first frame. All right, so we're going to say 0. So this would do that. And then we want to say debug. Not debug, we want to say cursor animates dot add. And we're going to say idle, comma, temp. All right, so now in our user update, play cursor. And up here, we're going to say a public string current cursor. All right, and then here, cursor animates dot current cursor dot play dot animate. All right, and so on start, we're going to say current cursor is equal to idle. Now, let's see if that is working. Hold on. Where was I doing that cursor? Shoot. Was I doing the mouse manager? Did it delete it? Maybe put in the start. Yeah, I did it here. All right. Let's see if that works, and then we'll test out the animation. Okay, good. Do we have an error there? Key not found. Idle. Oh, I never set up. So before I do this, cursor. Wait, what? Oh, set up cursors. Yeah. Set up cursors. Okay. Not getting errors. So let's do the grab. Grab, animate. So we won't need to use that. We'll do like that. We're going to say from 0, 1 to. Okay, I gotta get these the right order. So we do the first, last, and the rate. Oh no, 0.2 F. This needs to be a float. And I don't even set any of these, dum-dum. I'm going to say this dot animate rate is equal to, yep. Okay, we're going to call this the grab. And go up here, and let's try the grab. And hopefully this doesn't lag. Okay, I didn't add the UI manager. This okay, it works. Okay, let's test them all first. All right, so the hammer will be up, down, down. So it goes this one, this one, this one, this one, then goes back. This is not the best way of doing it, but goes here and then we want to go back. Wait, this order doesn't make sense. Yeah, no, it goes down. Should probably rename these. So we want to go from 2 to 8. All right. Yeah, you can't. You have to swap the cursor out each time. You can't just say hammer, and from 2 to 8. Let's test that out. Hammer. You just can't use sprite sheets, and you can see, like, if you have a game object and you try to have it follow the mouse, it lags because it does every frame. Ooh, okay, I got one of them wrong. Oh, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see, UI Manager. Oh, I know what it is right here. This needs to say first frame. Instead of 0. Alright, let's do that a little bit quicker. Okay. Alright, now let's do the next one. UI Manager. Save this. This is the no hit. So it's the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doop, doop, and doop. So now we're going from 9 to 15. Destroy. Nine to 15. Let's check it out. Okay. Now we want the feed. 1, 2, 3. I don't yet 3. Do I need this last one here? Let me look. I guess it's fine. Let me do the last one then. Okay, so from 16 to 20. From 16 to 20. Say feed. 16 to 20. Say feed. And I might change this to build instead of hammer. Okay. It's a little. I might create one more cursor for like pointing your finger. But I'll do that off screen. What if I do like 0.1? Because it kind of goes a little. Seems like it should be going a little bit faster. Oh my word. Okay, maybe not that. Let me do 0.3. We need idles, though. Let's do this. Let's grab this one. Say build idle. And it's going to be 2 to 2 and 0. Do the same thing. Call this idle. 0, 9 to 9. Alright, feed. And now we need the scoop. So this is from 21 to 25. '21 to 25. Call it scoop. We need an idle for the feed. Make that 16, 16. Idle. '21 to 21. Let's try the scoop. Alright. Once we get these, now we have to switch it based upon what we say the current cursor is. Okay. A little weird. And again, like, it's hard to... When we're mouse over that, I'll set the cursor to idle. Maybe whenever we're over this UI, let's just test this out in our mouse manager. Here, we got this. In our update, if mouse manager dot instance dot is hover over UI, then we're going to animate the, I think I called it idle. Golly. Else, then we'll do this. Let's see what that looks like. All right. Hold on. Did I call it idle or grab idle? Called it idle. Invalid texture used for cursor. Check. Still give me that error. It's saying invalid texture used for cursor. Check importer setting. Okay, so I don't know what that means. It stops it, but why isn't it showing the... Okay, let me go up here. 0, 0, 0. Can this not do it here? Okay, so this doesn't actually set the first one, does it? All right, cool. It's still like hard to know where you're clicking. I mean, this is not a problem, but on that button that's a little bit smaller. Okay, I need to finish that thing. See, like this doesn't. That does. I mean, it's kind of weird to have this. All right, let's set up the... What is this? Okay, invalid texture used for cursor. Check importer settings or texture creation. Textures must be RGBA32 readable, have alpha transparencies enabled. So can we not use a... I gotta do that for all of them. It's 2 point none. Read and write this. Apply. Let's see if I get that error now. That's when it finishes. Nope. Okay. We did it. Yay. Okay. So let's go to our mouse manager. And I think our mouse manager can handle most of this. So if we're here, we're going to say UI manager dot instance dot current cursor is equal to, let's just say idle. Actually, we probably want to do this here first. You know what? This is not going work at all. I'll have to think about it in a sec. Let's just, whoops. Let's just see this real quick. Feed idle. Build idle. Destroy idle. We don't have a scoop yet. We'll get that later. We're coming close to 5 o'clock. Okay. Okay. Fence. Floor. Destroy. Okay. So what we want to do is somehow all right, in our, we're going to have a string called change current. Wait. Whatever. So what's going to happen is when we get here, instead of going to the first frame, if change current is not equal to this, then UI manager dot instance dot current cursor is equal to the change. So basically, when it gets done, then we can say string change current. All right. So when this gets done, we'll do that. But when we grab, we're going to say it equals the idle. When this gets done, we're going to say build idle. Whoops. I'm doing these in the wrong spot. Are you kidding me? Build idle. Destroy idle. feed idle. Scoop idle. Okay. Let's test this out with the shoot, come on. Let's go back to our cursor, our UI. We want spell that together. We want one more. This is going to be the grabbing, and it's going to be 0. And we'll use 1, 1, and we'll call it grabbing. Sorry. Grabbing. And actually this is going to say when this gets, no. Actually, when this gets done, we're going to say grabbing. Alright. So let's first try to do this. It'd be nice if we could do it in here, but I don't think we can. If current cursor is not equal to grab, then we'll set it. Or it's not equal to grabbing. Now let's go to this. So this is grabbing. We're going to say current cursor is equal to grab. No, hold on. Yeah, grab, and then I'll switch it to the other one. Let's see. This will be cool if it works. Nope. Nope. This needs to be an and. cursor is not that or that. Hold on. Let me go to my... I think the problem is, let me go to creature, the animating maybe. So it shows the first one. Current frame is first frame. That's the last frame. Okay, then it goes here. Current frame is equal to first frame. If change, then current cursors change current. Maybe this is not, if change current is not equal to this. Let's just debug log this. Changing mouse. Okay, we can do this. This has nothing to do with the real gameplay. Nothing. None of this does. Let me get rid of this debug. I do not see a change mouse. Changing mouse. I got that. Oh, okay, so we did do it. We're going to say plus change current. Let's see what that is. Okay, hold up. I don't think I ever set these things in here, dummy. Change current. Let's change. We're going to say this. Okay. Yep, it did it, but it did it kind of slow. But didn't change it back. Hold on. After we are done. Okay, we need to set this back to idle. So that's going to be in the dropping. I guess I didn't do that. Right up here. All right, and let me go back to the UI manager, which is right here, and make this even faster. 0.5. Well, I might not need to actually animate that. Cool. It's very finicky when you can know when to grab it with this mouse pointer. Because you think, oh, I can just grab it here. He made a little sad face. Oh, should do like a little teardrop. Oh, he died. Okay. So now we do it for those other ones. Okay. All right, I'm going to stop it here. Figure out how to do this mouse a little bit better. But we're making progress. We got the hand. I kind of wish, I don't know if I can do like an offset with this thing. Because like right here, you would think I could grab them, but I can't. Can't even grab them right here. All right. Let me stop. I'll see what I can do about that. Thanks for watching.